What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a Mazda smart key. It's a pretty straightforward process, but I have seen customers damage their key fobs trying to change the battery, so watching a video can never hurt. We'll need a little pry tool. These take 20-25 batteries, and then of course our key. We'll start by taking out our valet key, emergency key. This button, we're going to push that down, and at the same time lift this key up, and it'll come right out. You can put that aside. Now here we're going to have to separate the key down the middle, and this is where people can get carried away. So we're using enough force to open the case, but not enough to break tabs or damage the plastic. I like to work up both sides like so. We'll get that one loose, and then we'll switch and get this one loose. Now I like to walk my pry tool as much down the center as it'll let me on both sides. Now I'm going to put my finger on this back part here, and I'm going to pull up on these tabs. So, made a nice noise, but nothing's damaged. What I'm trying to avoid is that the battery is accessed through the back, but you can actually pull this out, revealing the circuit board pretty easily. So, holding right here can really help avoid that. From here, we got a little rubber cover with a seal. Should reveal our battery. It's 2025. Go ahead and take that out, and we'll take our new one. Have to be positive end facing up, so we want to see the plus mark. Make sure your seal's nice and in there, and then we'll put our plastic cover back on. Now that the cover's back on, we can clip the case back together. We want nice, even, no gaps. See how this front has a gap on it? My trick with that is I usually back off one of these tabs and it'll pop back into place here. So now we just got the tabs back, and we'll push it in, and it should be good all the way around. Put your key back in, and you are good to go. That's how you change a battery on a Mazda smart key. I hope this helps. Thank you.